Hello everyone, my name is Rudransh Chaudhary. I study in class 5C, St. Thomas School, Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. Today we are making herbal kadha at home. First we have to switch on this and add 1 cup of water in it. Boil it. Till it is boiling, we have to crush these all ingredients. This some piece of cinnamon and cloves, black pepper, ginger and tulsi. We have to crush them all. Now it is crushed properly. Now we will take this and on. Now we will pour this in it and mix it properly. Now we will add honey for taste. Now it is properly ready. Now we will off this and we will take this and pour this in a cup. We have to boil it with ingredients till it come to half cup from full cup. It is ready. Now we can enjoy. Thank